Hey guys, what's going on? Hope everyone's doing well. I'm here to tell you a little bit about something that I purchased for my sister-in-law. So I don't know what you guys do with your families for the holidays, but our family is just too big to get for everybody because my husband has so many siblings and then they're all married and they have kids. So we decided in recent years that we're just going to do a Secret Santa with the girls and get one gift for everybody. So I asked my brother-in-law what I should get my sister-in-law because I had her for Secret Santa, and he said that she really needed a nice chip and dip bowl. And I said, okay, and like a couple other things. I got her like a recipe book and a funny mug. So this I decided to order because it had some good reviews. Just gonna open this up. I'm very happy with the way that it was shipped. It's like perfect in the styrofoam because I was kind of nervous. I'm nervous ordering glass stuff online sometimes because you just don't know if it's gonna break. There was like one time I had to keep ordering. It was like a wine holder. It was like 3 times because every time I got it, it came completely shattered. I guess they just weren't handling it good, and then it just kept getting ruined. And during shipment, or just weren't packaging it right. So this is definitely packaged really nicely. This is a beautiful ceramic chip and dip bowl. So it's dishwasher and microwave safe, Gibson Elite, GibsonUSA.com. Product is made in China. She likes white, like all white, like her kitchen's all white, and she's very like, if you guys watch like, what's that show with like Chip and Jonah Gaines? I forget what the show is called. Fixer Upper? And, you know, she likes all the white, like, you know, farmhouse looking stuff. So that's why I decided to get her this. So this is nice. I think this has plenty of room for the chips, and then the dip goes in there. Just taking this out of the pack. I'm just taking the paper out of the package to show you guys. Okay. So this is by Kook, K-O-O-K, Kook guarantee for 1-year warranty, original. Dear valued customer, thanks for purchasing a Kook chip and dip dish. This chip and dip dish is made from quality ceramic material designed for long-lasting use and easy cleaning. With a stunning, sleek look, this purchase is definitely a great choice for your home. If you have any issues or questions about your purchase, contact us at hello@cookusa.com. We hope you enjoy your dish and come back to Kook in the future. Thank you, the Kook team. So it came with this nice little note. I like it because it's pretty, it's elegant, and it's very simple, one color. I like that it's, you know, dishwasher safe, save time if you don't feel like doing dishes after having a party. And I just think it's nice just to have something that just kind of goes with everything. So this could be used for so many things. Could be used for, like, I know my sister-in-law on like football Sundays likes to make like buffalo wings and like a ranch dip. So we put the buffalo wings around here, the ranch dip in there. Spinach and artichoke dip, chips. Now I'm getting hungry thinking about all this different stuff. Nacho dip with chips, sausage dip with chicken fingers, chips, potato chips with French onion, tortilla chips with salsa, vegetables with the dip inside, crackers with hummus, crackers with cheese. The list goes on and on. You guys kind of get the idea. But I think this is great, and I think that everyone has to have a chip and dip bowl in their house. I do. I have one my aunt got me that looks kind of similar, and I absolutely love it. I know I'm going to be using it for the holidays. It's just great anytime, even if you're like, it's just you and your husband or you and your friends just hanging out watching a movie and you feel like having chips and dip, you know, chip and dips. It's nice to have this to display on the table. Great for the holidays, for appetizers, great for any kind of party or get together. It's just always really nice to have this in the house. So guys, this was by Kook chip and dip dish, but so much more than just for chips and dip. I hope that you guys found the video useful, and I hope you enjoy it. You could get it as a gift for yourself or for anyone really that, you know, needs a nice chip and dip dish in the house. Always nice to have that. So I thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you found it useful. Have a great night, everybody.